Hello students, the question says variables x and y are such that cube root of y is plotted against x square. A straight line passing through the points 9, 8 and 16, 1 is obtained. We have to find y as a function of x. So first we'll assume that these 2 points like 9, 8 and 16, 1 as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So if now I'm finding the slope of the line, so we'll apply the formula of finding the slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I'm applying that, so I got 1 minus 8 over x2 minus x1. So I got it as 16 minus 9. So the slope that I got, this is minus 7 and this is 7. So that's equals to minus 1. So any straight line will be able to write it as y is equal to mx plus c. The m is the slope of the line. So we can write y equals to minus x plus c. Now, if we choose a point to which the line passes is 16, 1. So that means in place of y, we can write 1. And in place of x, we can write 16. So the value of c that we got is 17. So we'll put all the values in the equation of the line. So we got y is equal to minus x plus 17. Now, we'll be replacing the y with cube root of y and x with x square. So the equation that we got is y to the power 1 by 3 equals to minus of x square plus 17. So if I'm writing y as a function, so it should be just cubing both the sides. So we got this y as a function of x, and that's the final answer to this question. Now moving on to the marking scheme part of it. So you get clearly 1 mark for finding out the slope correctly. Now the other mark that you get is to put into the proper equation. That means you get the value of c and you're putting the values in the proper equation like this. For this here, you get another 1 mark and 1 mark for writing the final answer correctly. Another 1 mark for calculating the c value. So this is how the marking scheme is distributed. Thank you, students.